In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Merchant Center to Shopify. By the end, your Shopify store will be linked to Google, so your products can be eligible to appear across Google surfaces and be ready for campaigns if you choose to run them. Start in your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, open Sales Channels and select Google. This takes you to Shopify's built-in Google channel where the connection happens. If you don't see Google listed, it may not be available for your user or region, so make sure you're working in a store that supports the Google channel before proceeding. On the Google channel page, click Start Setup. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account. A sign-in window appears. Choose the Google account you use for your business and confirm the permissions. It's important to use the business account you want tied to your product listings, not a personal one you don't plan to manage. Granting access lets Shopify communicate with Google on your behalf, so products availability and pricing can sync correctly. Next, select your Google Merchant Center account. If you already have one, pick it from the list so Shopify links to the correct account. If you don't have a Merchant Center yet, create one from this screen by entering your basic business details. This simply establishes the container in Google where your Shopify product feed will live. Keep things consistent with your store information so Google and Shopify stay aligned. You'll then choose your target country and language. This tells Google where you want your products to appear and in which language your product data is provided. Pick the primary country you sell to and the language your product titles and descriptions are written in. This selection affects eligibility, currency display, and how your catalog is reviewed, so choose the options that reflect your actual storefront experience. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions. You'll see program and integration terms from Google and Shopify. Read through them, confirm you agree, and accept to complete the connection. This step authorizes the ongoing sync between your store and Google Merchant Center. Once connected, give the system some time to sync your products. You don't need to do anything extra here. Shopify will begin sending your catalog details, and you'll see statuses populate in the Google channel over time. For smooth approvals, keep your product titles, descriptions, and pricing accurate, and make sure your store's language and country settings match what you selected during setup. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Google Merchant Center and ready for visibility across Google.